verification. We would like to invite passengers travelling in business class, PPS club members to come forward for boarding. Also at this time, we'd like to invite KrisFlyer Elite Gold and Star Alliance card holders to come forward for boarding. Singapore Airlines would now like to invite passengers in Group 4 to come forward for boarding. Please place your boarding pass on the photo page of your passport for verification. That's boarding Group 4 only.